So now we're going to see how the training match mode works. We are in this menu here. We open a new training match, and you have the view of the pitch, but you can actually select which area of the pitch you want to be using. So let's just select all of it for this case, and then we tap next. And on the next step, what you need to do is you have to select the players that are going to be part of this match. Let's say right now we only have 4 players. So for this drill, let's say we have Vincent and Jesper for one team, and then we have Kenzo and Arendt for the second team. Sorry. And as you can see here, we have placed the other 2 players as dummies on these chairs, just for showing you guys how to use this part of the system. So again, now we have Vincent and Jesper, and we have started. Now I started the match, the training match session, and you can see they're already playing here. They're dribbling the football, and we have live trajectory, so you can actually see how the players are kicking the football and passing it to each other. And again, the number 9 in the blue team and the number 8 in the red team, they're just dummies. They're on those chairs right there. That's why they're not moving on the screen. So now we can for example see Jasper, his heart rate. We're actually Jasper, and his heart rate is already here on the screen. It's red because he's running. So maybe he needs a little bit more of physical training. And we can see, for example, the distance that what they're running, the dribbling speed, the physical load, the ball possession for both of the players are actually on the match right now. The real ones, the real 2 guys there. And of course, we have the stats comparison for both teams, A team and B team. Have the distance and the distance. We have the possession rate, the pass completion, passes, and interceptions. And again, we can have a quick glance of what they are doing during this training match session. They have the distance here. We have that, for example, Vincent here has 52 meters run so far, and then the dribbling speed, which is measured in meters over seconds. He's been Kenzo is doing 3.1 meters per second, and then the physical load, which is also being measured here, and the ball possession, and of course the passes here, and again the live trajectory, which is still there. You can see how they are dribbling the football, they're kicking and passing the football all along, and when the player has possession of the football, their avatar will turn white. This will be highlighted in white, as you can see every time they have possession of the football. And then to end this session, you just tap here on end session. But well, before we do that, we can check again the details of each player, the details of each player. We have again the max heart rate, the average heart rate, the real-time heart rate, physical load, VO2 max, and the calorie consumption. And of course, here you have other details of each player, like the picture. You can actually set up a picture, the shirt number, the position, the height, the weight, and the duration of the training. And then of course you have the tactical data, which will be telling you the total passes, the successful passes, the tackles and interceptions. And okay, let's check a real player. Let's see Jasper. So here, okay, let's see Kenzo. He has some more information here. He's been doing 17 passes in total with 0 successful passes so far. That's sad. And then 18 interceptions. And you have the dots where the interceptions are actually happening. Okay. And well, that's it. That's it for the training match session. We can end the session by tapping here this button. It will ask you if you want to end the session. You tap yes, and now it's finished. And we finished with the training mode of the INSAIT K1 app. Okay.